Hey everybody, welcome back. So today we're going to be trying out the headlight restoration kit from Lidl to see if it's any good. Okay, so here's the kit. It's called the Ultimate Headlight Restoration Kit and there are 19 pieces to it. So we have a rubber sanding block, we have some sandpaper, multiple grits. There's 4 2000 grit, 4 3000 grit and 4 5000 grit. Then we've got the polishing compound. So it's a nice big tube of polishing compound. There's some sealant, I think, which seals the headlight once you've done all the polishing work. There's 4 polishing cloths. And finally, there's a handy little leaflet with a set of instructions. Okay, so according to the instructions, there are 2 different modes that you can use this in. You can either just use the polishing compound with the polishing cloths, or you can, for really badly weathered headlights, you can use the actual sandpaper in going up in the grades, I would imagine. My headlights aren't too badly weathered. They're not too bad because I have had a go at them before. So I think I'm just going to try it with the polishing compound and then I'm going to seal them. So let's give it a go and see how we get on.
So the first job is to mask off the areas around the headlight. Next job is to apply the polish, and a small blob on the polishing cloth that comes with the kit, and apply that with a fair amount of pressure to the surface of the headlamp. And what I found was it goes quite hazy, and if you leave it then it will dry, and then it becomes quite difficult to actually remove. So it's good to move fairly quickly with this, I think. And I didn't need to put an awful lot of pressure on there, I probably spent maybe 3 or 4 minutes, but you can see the colour of the cloth has gone. So there's quite a colour to that. And I don't really know, is that dirt, is that grime, or is that some kind of chemical coming out of the plastic?
So I think it's a lot better than it was. Really difficult to see in this light. If we go across to the other headlight, we might just be able to see the hazing compared to that one, which looks a lot clearer. So it has worked to an extent. I can see a little bit of hazing, but not much. It's a lot better than it was. And I think if I'd used the sandpaper, it would have been a lot better. So with the sealant, it says make sure that you've cleaned the polish off first by spraying it with some water and then cleaning it with a damp cloth, which I've done. And then what we do is we apply a little bit of this sealant around the headlight. And it says allow it to flash off for about 5 to 10 minutes, after which dry it with a soft dry cloth. So we'll leave that for 5 to 10 minutes and come back and see what it does. So, job done. And I think the Lidl headlight restoration kit is actually pretty good. The fact that it comes with a sealant is even better. So overall, thumbs up to Lidl.